All right, guys, so I want us to go ahead and look at some math so that we're ready tomorrow when I can get back on Teams. So we already know that this is a ones cube, which is worth 1. And we know that this is a tens rod, which is worth 10. And we have looked at 2-digit numbers, which means there's 2 numbers in it. This week we are going to start looking at 3-digit numbers. So we will see 3 numbers. They will have ones, tens, and something new, hundreds. So this is called a hundreds flat, which is worth 100. So when we're drawing a hundreds flat, we would do a big square just like this. When we're drawing a tens rod, we still have our line. And our ones cube is a little square, so we want to make sure that's smaller than the hundreds so we can tell them apart. I am going to draw a 3-digit number for you guys so you can see it. Then I'm going to have you practice some on your paper. Let's see, my first number is 213. So I want to draw 213. So right here is the hundreds place, our hundreds place. So that means I need 2 hundreds flats. 100, 200. Right here is the tens place. I only have a 1 in the tens place, so I need 1 tens rod. And right here is the ones place. So I would need 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Now we can see the number 213. We have 100, 200, 210, 211, 212, 213. Let's look at another one. I'm going to model another one so you can see it again. Let's see, here is our next number. 122. So let's look at this one to draw. We have a 1 in the hundreds place. That means I need 1 100s flat. Next we have 2 in the tens place. So I need 2 10 rods. And then we have 2 in the ones place. So I need 2 ones cubes. We have 100, 110, 120, 121, 122. I am going to give you guys 4 different numbers, and I want you to try it on your paper and bring it to our class tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll look at these all together on Teams and we'll check them. So I want you to try them now on your paper. I'm going to show you the numbers. So on a blank piece of paper, I want you to try all 4 of these numbers. So try a base 10 block drawing for 352, 241, 530, and 103. So remember, this is our hundreds flat, and you draw it as a big square. So everyone get out your blank paper, and I want you to start working on these 4 numbers, and we are going to check them tomorrow together.